Want to make money by uploading animation videos like this? Imagine creating videos that rack up millions of views and turn those views into real cash. Channels in this niche are already raking in thousands of dollars each month, with millions of views rolling in. It's a massive opportunity waiting for you. The best part? You don't need fancy tools or a big budget. You can create videos like this for free using AI, and it only takes 10 minutes to get started. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating viral animation videos that stand out. Let's dive in. Step 1. Crafting your story. The first step in creating your animation video is coming up with a great story. Don't worry if writing isn't your strong suit. I've even written a sample story for you to get started. Here's how to do it. Start with a rough outline. Decide what kind of story you want to tell. Whether it's adventurous, emotional, or funny, just jot down a basic idea. Don't overthink it. This is just the scrap version. Use ChatGPT to improve your story. Open ChatGPT, copy the story outline provided in the video description, and paste it into the chat. ChatGPT will polish and enhance your story, making it ready for animation. Once you have the polished version, ask ChatGPT to divide your story into 24 scenes, or as many as you prefer. For this video, I'll stick with 24 scenes to keep the process simple and manageable. With your scenes ready, it's time to move to the next step, generating image prompts for each scene of your story. Here's how. Use the pre-prepared prompt. Find the third prompt in the video description. Copy and paste it into ChatGPT's text box, and ChatGPT will generate detailed image prompts for all the scenes in your story. The first image prompt will usually define your character's appearances. This is crucial for consistency, so make sure to save it for future use. Example: my story has two characters, Max the boy, Leo the dragon. I've already saved their appearance details to maintain consistency throughout the animation process. Pro tip: by saving the character design prompt, you can ensure that Max and Leo look the same across all scenes, keeping your visuals professional and cohesive. Now that your image prompts are ready, let's move on to the exciting part, bringing these scenes to life with AI-generated visuals. Step 2. Now that you have your image prompts ready, it's time to create stunning visuals for each scene using Leonardo AI. Follow these steps, and click on Image Creation. Choose the Phoenix 0.9 model for the best quality and consistency in your visuals. Take the image prompt for the first scene generated by ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI's prompt box. For every image prompt, make sure to include the saved character description to maintain consistency. Repeat this process for each of your 24 scene prompts, taking your time to create high-quality visuals that captivate your audience. With all images ready, you're one step closer to creating your animation video. Next, we'll focus on putting these images together into a seamless and engaging video. Let's move forward. Step 3. Turning your images into a video. Now that your images are ready, it's time to transform them into an engaging video. Follow these simple steps using Kling AI. Open the Kling AI platform and navigate to the AI video section. Start by uploading the first image and follow the prompts to convert it into a video scene. Repeat this for each of your 24 images, ensuring they all follow the story's flow. Once uploaded, Kling AI will convert each image into a video scene within just a few minutes. Once all the images are converted into video, you'll have a polished animation ready to be shared with your audience. Let's move to the final touches and make it shine. Now that you've turned your images into video scenes, it's time to add the finishing touches with CapCut. Here's how to refine and polish your animation. Import your video clips. Arrange them in the correct order to match your story flow. Enhance with transitions. Add smooth transitions between scenes to make your video more seamless and professional. Experiment with fade-ins, zooms, or slide effects to match the mood of your story. Add background music and sound effects. Insert text and captions. Include titles, subtitles, or captions to emphasize key moments in the story. Make your video truly engaging is adding professional quality voiceovers using 11 Labs. Here's how you can do it. Write your script. Create a voiceover script that narrates your story or explains each scene. Keep it clear, concise, and engaging to complement your visuals. Open 11 Labs. Choose a voice. Browse through the available AI voices and select one that fits the tone of your story. You can pick a calm, energetic, or dramatic voice based on your animation's theme. Generate the voiceover. Copy and paste your script into the 11 Labs text box. Download the generated voiceover file. Add voiceover in CapCut. Import the voiceover file into CapCut and sync it with your video. Adjust the timing to align perfectly with the visuals. With the voiceover added, your video is now complete and ready to captivate your audience. Review your edited video to ensure everything flows smoothly. Export it in high quality for the best viewing experience. With your video fully edited, you're ready to upload and share it with the world.
Max wandered the jungle, his steps halting when he spotted a strange, glowing egg nestled in the bushes. Drawn by its mystery, he took it home. Days later, the egg cracked, revealing a tiny dragon with shimmering scales. Max named him Leo as Leo grew. So did his desire to fly. Under a blazing sunset, Max led Leo to an open field. With a leap and a powerful beat of his wings, their adventures led them to a glowing cave, its entrance humming with energy. Max and Leo stepped inside, racing for the secrets waiting beyond.
Congratulations! You've just learned how to create stunning animation videos using AI tools, all in just a few simple steps. From crafting your story to generating images, converting them into videos, editing in CapCut, and adding professional voiceovers with 11 Labs, you now have everything you need to start making amazing content. Remember, the key to success is consistency and creativity. Keep experimenting, keep improving, and most importantly, have fun along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI-powered tutorials. Let's keep creating together. See you in the next video.